we're getting ready to change the battery in this key fob. What you need to do is turn the key fob on the back. Make sure that you open up the metal key. Now right here, the battery is located right here in the back. So you don't need a screwdriver for this, you just have to pry the back cover with your fingers like so. And you put that back cover to the side. Right here you can slide the battery out, and then we have two batteries that need to slide out. Now you can go ahead and install the new batteries. Now on the new batteries, you look on one side, they'll have a plus, that's the positive side. You take that and slide it in there, and then so the positive is facing you. Take the second battery, and then make sure the positive is facing you again, and slide it in there. But be very careful so that it slides underneath these metal tabs right here. And then it's on this side, it's popping up a little bit, but that's okay because once we put this back cover on it, it will push the battery down, and that's it.